So I got hot thermal. Oh, dude, I didn't have any.
Alright, I got a little stack starting to form here. And now I'm caught up. Okay, we need one more marshal after the double over here, after the big double in the back. And then we should be okay. We're going to be alright.
That was different, nobody else is here. We had everybody. We had a whole day.
Okay, so your order, the mod guys, 1 and 2, Alex and Jason. Then your 13-5 guys, Tyler, TJ, Chili, Jake, and Ben. Drivers, looking good. Marshals, be alive, look alive. Shake and bake at the tone. And here we go. So again, there's 2 different classes here. There's mod and stock. Whoops. Coming in hot to that roller section there. Alex Vanderbeek running a modified truck. We haven't seen mod truck here in a long time. How about TJ Williams getting around Tyler early as we go through the triple. Somebody's lifted out of Ben. That's going to put, I think that's Posey up to 2nd in the 13-5 class. Man, that is change of order for sure. Okay. Try to take it easy and watch big jump in the back, big jump in the back. So Posey up to the 2 spot is TJ, Jake, Ben now in 3rd. Then you have Tyler and Chili. Chili got the worst end of that start earlier. Vanderbeek all by himself up front in the mod class. He's a pro, so he won't be messing with you guys battling 13-5, I'm sure. He'll just pick his way through. But here we go, we got a good one. That's Jake, Ben, Tyler, and Chili. Pretty far back off with TJ, but still. Right now it's battle for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, and 5th. Oh, Ben holding it in the straightaway, so that's going to put Tyler up to the 3rd spot. Chili in the 4th. He's got Alex. Alex says, what's up? How's it going? I'll see you on Wednesday, maybe. A little bump starting to form after that state line section as well, coming out of it. Although these are trucks, so they won't be affected that bad. TJ Williams getting a little wonky, but still a big lead for TJ. Jake Posey right now running his best for the day here in Stadium Truck in 2nd. Tyler Cummings got Vanderbeek behind him. Close, they get together just a little bit. There comes Chili and Ben, so we're right back at it for 3rd place. Oh man, Ben and Chili get together. Tyler gets that spot back. Down the street we go. This is all good news for TJ and for Jake as they're starting to extend that big lead they have in the stock class, or spec class I should call it. Tyler, Chili, Ben, ooh man. Chili saved it. Good save. Gets to race another day. TJ though, running a smackdown. Jake Posey in 2nd. Jake Posey in the radioactive, I don't know what is that. It's not tangerine. It's kind of orange. Not even sure what fruit that would be. Oh well. 2:30 left to go on this one. Races for 3rd between Tyler, Chili, and Ben. We're putting a lot there on Jason. Tyler on the pipe. There goes Chili into that 3rd spot, the final PlexSpec, final podium for stock. Jason running mod behind him, so he's not really racing anybody officially. There goes Ben, and look at TJ putting laps on these four drivers now. TJ in command. Boy, lots of crashes here. Chili's on his lid. I think Ben's going to get around to third. Tyler was on his lid as well, so Ben Ford, the benefactor of that one is TJ, Jake, Ben, Chili, Tyler in the 13.5 class. Then you got Alex and Jason Haley in the mod class. There's Jake. Jake's got nobody around him to finish this one out with 120 left to go, so we're just kind of gonna have to hope that TJ breaks. Oh, Ben upside down the straightaway. There goes Trevor. Julie Duncan, and always happens. Somebody crashes in the triple when the marshal's busy with somebody else.
After 5 minutes, 2 seconds. The top driver.
There's first place of stock and mod together on the racetrack. TJ and Alex. Alex going to be triple. TJ going to let him go. Nicely done. 40 seconds left to go. There goes Ben. Looks like Ben back up in the third. It didn't see it happen to Chili. This is going to be one of those races you're going to watch a video and go, huh. Whatever. Mini truck coming up next. Last race of the night. Jake's going to get one more. Chili's going to get one more. Ben Ford, though, looking to get a third out of this one. Get a test up. He can hang on to it. Got half the track to go. You're done when you cross. There's TJ taking the win. Jason Haley's officially going to get second in modified. Here comes Ben, Chili, Jake, and Alex. Ben's going to get third in spec. Jake's going to get second. Vanderbeek's going to win mod. Chili's going to get fourth.
All drivers are finished.
And that is a race. That is a race. Good job, everyone. All right, let's just jump out there to Marshall, and we'll take top 3 picks after this one for everybody that's left. So we'll just get this race in the books.